Are your summer outings followed by days of itching discomfort? Knowing more about poison ivy and how it grows might help you avoid the rash problems later. This is Rhonda Furry with University of Illinois Extension. Remember the old adage, leaves of three, let it be. Poison ivy grows in various locations in many different environmental conditions. It is in fence rows, under trees, and in ornamental shrub and perennial plantings, or in woods as you can see here. When growing among desirable plants, poison ivy is a challenge to control. A member of the cashew family, poison ivy, also called Rhus radicans, has leaflets in threes. This means that one leaf is made up of three smaller leaflets, like you see here. Leaflets usually have smooth edges with a few indentations. Although sometimes bushy and tall, poison ivy typically creeps in and around plants and up trees or structures. It has very small green flowers in the late spring and early summer, which develop into gray or whitish berry-like fruit. The fruit is an important food source for many wildlife. Virginia creeper is often confused with poison ivy or thought to be poison oak. This is not true. Poison oak is an ecobiotype of poison ivy, and it has much smaller leaflets with rounded edges and only grows in the western states, not in Illinois. Virginia creeper, as you can see here, often grows with poison ivy. Notice that the Virginia creeper at top has leaflets of 5 to 7, while the poison ivy below it has leaflets of 3. Virginia creeper is not considered poisonous. You may be one of those individuals that is so sensitive that you feel like you can get the rash just from being near poison ivy without touching it. Actually, you do need to touch the oil, which is in all plant parts, or it is in smoke, but not in the air. The oils can be spread to you from pets, clothes, or tools, and no one is immune, but sensitivities do change with age. After you touch the oil, it usually takes 12 to 48 hours for the rash to appear. After exposure, quickly wash off the oils with cold water and soap, usually within 30 minutes to 4 hours. It depends on the person. You can also try some preventative methods, such as avoiding touching the plant, knowing what it looks like, and also there are some ivy blocks like the ones you see here that can be helpful. If you do get the rash, treat it very quickly and be sure to see a doctor if it's very severe. Poison ivy rashes certainly are not fun to endure. However, I fully believe that enjoying the great outdoors is worth the risk. Go out and enjoy nature this summer, but stay away from the leaves of three. You can find more information in this fact sheet that was prepared by horticulture educator Candace Miller. Or you can post pictures and ask questions at one of my IL River Hort social media sites serving Fulton, Mason, Peoria, and Tazewell counties.